Hello and welcome everyone to this video. I'm going to show you here about to help you through this video. So first of all, what you're gonna see and understand in this progress that is gonna actually to be on the way that is still about that winner that can be about to know understand on unlock all layers. So what you're gonna do is about unlock all layers is still to be really satisfied with that. So that actually would like to start to have through that moment, as you can understand in this progress. In this moment, as you can understand and see, through unlock on layers. So you can unlock layer here or unlock anything, unlock selection. So unlock selection is unlock all objects or all layers. If you click here on a certain object or layer, you can actually start to click on the toggle lock, and this gonna be about like this one. And that's all about to help you through this video. And thank you guys for watching, and this gonna be actually to be helpful, and good luck.